Butang silig. Ikaw na. Butang silang sa mga silig.
I'll use this. Here. This is mine. This is mine, but that is yours now. I just actually broke it. Okay. Stop! Wait! You cannot go there because this is Papa. No, the cockroach will gonna kill my feet. I mean my leg. Oh, shut up! Oh my God! A mosquito! Ma, there's a big cockroach.
Maulog na ba? Muti na nung nakuha na ng dinding. Makayo yung hina, ah?
Ma, the cockroach just killed it. No. We have to find a cockroach. What? So we can take revenge. What? Let me relax first. It's already night. Why? Then I'll find the cockroach. I will be right back. It's coming. Oh no, the cockroach is here. Here's the cockroach. Bang. I cannot pass it.